Welcome to this video where we'll delve into the intriguing world of relationships and reveal 4 secret ways that girls often use to test men. Relationships can be filled with mysteries, and understanding these hidden tests can help create stronger connections and more meaningful bonds. From subtle cues to unspoken challenges, we'll explore these tactics that women may employ to assess the qualities of their potential partners. So, gentlemen, pay attention and let's unlock the secrets that lie within the realm of female testing. 1. The listening test. Women often pay close attention to how well a man listens to them. They want to know if he genuinely cares about what they have to say, or if he's just nodding along without truly absorbing the information. This test can come in various forms, such as sharing personal stories or discussing important matters. For example, when a girl tells her partner about her day, he can pass this test by actively engaging in the conversation, asking questions, and showing empathy. Failing to listen attentively might lead her to believe that he lacks interest or is self-centered. 2. The time and effort test. One subtle way girls test men is by observing the effort and time they invest in the relationship. This can include planning dates, surprising her with thoughtful gestures, or simply being there during difficult times. If a man consistently puts in effort and demonstrates that he values the relationship, he is likely to pass this test. On the other hand, neglecting to make time for her or taking her for granted might trigger doubts about his commitment. 3. The support test. In times of adversity or challenges, women may unconsciously test their partner's support. They observe how he responds to their ambitions, dreams, or personal growth. For instance, if a girl shares her aspirations and her partner offers encouragement and shows belief in her capabilities, he's more likely to pass this test. Conversely, if he dismisses her goals or seems unsupportive, she may question his ability to be a reliable partner. 4. The communication test. Effective communication is a crucial aspect of any successful relationship. Girls may test men's communication skills to see how well they express their emotions and handle conflicts. When a man can openly communicate, express his feelings, and resolve conflicts respectfully, he is likely to pass this test. On the other hand, being emotionally distant or avoiding important discussions might create doubts about the relationship's future. Additional 5th secret of 5. The risk-taking test. In addition to the previously mentioned secret ways, women may also test men's willingness to take risks. This test revolves around how a man handles challenges and steps outside his comfort zone. While not all women may consciously initiate this test, they often observe how a potential partner reacts to uncertain or adventurous situations. For example, a woman might suggest trying a new and daring activity together, like bungee jumping, traveling to an exotic destination, or starting a new business venture. How the man responds to these proposals can be revealing. If he enthusiastically embraces the opportunity and shows a willingness to explore new experiences, he is likely to pass this test. Taking calculated risks demonstrates a sense of adventure, open-mindedness, and an ability to handle the unknown, which can be very appealing to many women. On the other hand, if a man is overly cautious, consistently hesitant to try new things, or overly fearful of the potential consequences, he might fail this test in the eyes of some women. Playing it too safe could be interpreted as a lack of spontaneity, a fear of change, or an inability to adapt to unexpected situations. Conclusion. Effective communication is a crucial aspect of any successful relationship. Girls may test men's communication skills to see how well they express their emotions and handle conflicts. When a man can openly communicate, express his feelings, and resolve conflicts respectfully, he is likely to pass this test. On the other hand, being emotionally distant or avoiding important discussions might create doubts about the relationships. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button. Goodbye.